Looking for a CapCut alternative, then coming across this video is the best thing that will ever happen to you today. In this video, I'll be introducing you to an app, and of course, the app is completely free because that is exactly what you're looking for. We all know CapCut is now automatically a paid app because if you want to use all the features, you have to pay for it. So most basic creators are actually looking for alternatives that are free. So I'll be introducing to you an app. So the app is none other than the Edits by Instagram app. So if you're using an Android device, you have to head to the Play Store. That's in case you've not installed it on your device yet. Just search for Edits. Sorry, a typo. Edits and Instagram. Of course, you see various completions. So this is the app I'm talking about. It's already installed on my phone. That's why you see the open button active. And if you're also using an iPhone, just head to the App Store and search for Edits by Instagram. It's an Instagram app, and you will have to log into the app using your Instagram login details or your Facebook details. Any one of them will actually work, but basically I think Instagram works better. So having done that, let's try and let me show you how it works in case you've not seen the features before. But before we proceed, in case you're coming across this video on this channel or maybe on this Facebook page for the first time, you can simply hit the subscribe button to get more tutorial videos just like this one. Also hit the like button if you're watching this on Facebook so that you actually get more tutorials just like this one. So opening the app, this is what you'll find. I deleted most of the projects I've done before, so I just want to show you how it works. So if you want to start a new project, all you have to do is you see this white a square button having the cross sign just down below right corner. You have to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you see two options. The first one is camera. That is if you want to actually film a project using your phone camera, and the second option is importing a project from your gallery. So let's use the second option for this video tutorial, but you can do choose anyone that suits your taste. But I have a video already in my gallery, so I would like to use that as an example to show you how it works. So now let's move to my gallery. I tap on my gallery and let's select this video and let's import it in. So as you can see, it is in. But before proceeding editing this video, just go to the menu bar below. You see various features it has, which is quite similar to what you find on what's its name, on CapCut. You see the one, the first, you can input audio, you can add in text. Hold on. You can also add in voiceover. You see the captions. You can actually add captions to your video, and I'll be doing that in this very video. But let me still show you other menus. You all know using captions on CapCut at this moment is now a paid feature. So when you can actually get this for free by using Edits, an Instagram app. So also see other options: overlay, adding overlay, sound effects. So you can see cutouts, and this cutout feature is basically the reason why people are using CapCut, but using the cutout feature is now a paid feature. So people are looking for alternatives. That's why I see it from the start that coming across this video will be of good advantage to you. As you can see, you can also add stickers to your video. You can add stickers. Maybe the keyframes, using keyframes is not available on Edits yet. I think in the future they have to introduce such features. So now let's go see this video I just imported. It's a few seconds video. How many seconds? Just 8 seconds video. So now I don't really want to do much in this video. Let's play and see. Okay, it's an AI generated video I downloaded. So let me just do a few edits. First of all, I like to include captions. So now let's go to the captions portion. As you can see, scroll below, I select captions, and automatically it will generate captions for this video. The words that are spoken in it are actually in English. So now let's see. Now this is the caption is generated, but I will have to edit it because it's just showing the text and I don't like the way it's showing. So I would like to put in some animation. So to do that, you click on the edit icon below. These are the full text. You can actually check the text and see if there are wrong spellings or maybe words that are not pronounced the way you wanted it to. You can do your corrections. You know it's AI generated and there's bound to be errors, so I don't really want to check. Let me see if it's okay. I think it should be correct, but the first thing I would like to do, I like adding animation to the text. So as you can see, this is various animation you find, and this one has purple color. I don't want to choose this. I want to see, okay, yes, let's use this one that has a red colored animation, but I don't like the way it goes. I want it to be flowing just like this, so I think this one is better. I've been using this for a while and I think I like this. So this, first of all, I've generated caption. Now once you're through, you can actually do other edits, change the color, style, whatsoever you wish, but I want to leave it having a white color at the moment. So now let's see how it appears. Okay, this is cool for me. So now I've done this. Now let me add a little text according to what they're saying in the video, the theme of the video. So now you click on the A, that's the text icon below. So he's talking about Manchester United going unbeaten in this season. So let me just like type in Manchester United will go unbeaten this season. Now I just I type the text, and as usual I would like to edit them. So I click on the edit. Let's see. Yeah, there's this being in the box is perfect for me. So I click on done, and I'll have to like drag it to the top. Let me see if the texts are correct. So it's not bold enough, so I still have to tap on it, and let's make it bold this time around. Hold on. No, I don't want any animation in this case. Okay, so have to choose a font style that is more bold. I think classic is okay, or modern bold. Okay, let's use modern bold. Fine, this is perfect for me. And you can still drag it to suit any position you want it to be. Now let me play it once again and see how it works. So God said that Manchester United will go unbeaten in the English Premier League this season. Okay. So now having written the text, you have to like drag it to cover all portions of the video. So now let's see. God said that Manchester United will go unbeaten in the English Premier League. So this is perfect for me. I think this is cool for me. Like I said, it's an 8 seconds video, so I've edited it, but you can still do other tweaks if you prefer. Ads, what is it, stickers, love icon, whatsoever you wish. So I don't want to add stickers in this video. Now I have to export it. As you can see at the top, it can be exported in HD. In some cases, if for example, if you shot a camera using your own phone's camera, and if your camera has the capacity of carrying or recording a 2K video, you can actually still export in 2K or 4K depending on the phone you're using. But like I said, this is a video I downloaded online. I just have to, I don't know the camera quality at which it was shot with, so I think that's the reason why it's exporting in HD. And if you could recall, CapCut only allows exporting in 720p. They've stopped using 180p, which is quite ridiculous. You have to upgrade to a paid version before you can export in 180p. So that's ridiculous. So you can see this is HD, and you can increase it, but at this stage or at this instance, it's only exporting based on the capacity or the quality of the video I imported in. You can also increase the frame rate from 24 to 30 to 60 frame rates per second, depending on which you wish. So let's just leave it at default and let's export it. Now, exporting it, let me show you now the new features that have been included in edits, which I think is more perfect. Before now, you can only edit a video using edit and upload it either to your Instagram or Facebook page, but updating my app yesterday, I discovered that now you can download this very video edited to your phone, and also you can choose to upload them to any platform you choose, whether YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. So now let's click on export and let me show you what I'm talking about. So at this time, it's trying to prepare the video for export. In case you've not seen the option to download it to your device, I think you need to update your app. So as you can see from below, you can see it has an option of uploading automatically to Instagram, to Facebook, and now this is download option, which is the third one you find. So now let me just download it to my device, then I can use the video for whatever I want to after this. Like I said before, now you can only upload this video you edited to either your Instagram or Facebook profiles. So now let's download it, and automatically it starts finished downloading within seconds. So you see how fast it is. So I think you should start using this app. And like I said, it's just, it has the basic features you will need as an editor. Except if you want to go pro, then you can choose to go to other apps just like CapCut, upgrading to the pro version, or using DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, or whatsoever editing app you want to. But if you're just a basic editor using your phone, I think Edits by Instagram or an Instagram app will be perfect to you. So with this, we've come to the tutorial of this video. And like, if you have any question, just go to the comment section below, drop your question, and it will be attended to. So with that, we'll come to this end of this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Ciao and bye bye for now.